Greetings, dear lighted ones. This is Joanna from Universal Love and Light Wisdoms. From the purity of our heart and the purity of our intentions, to open sacredly in sharing and in offering and communion, for those who so desire to create affirmations of divine and sacred power, of the love of Source within, to come forward and guide and lead us through all moments, that we are reminded and we are in eternal remembrance of who we are as sacred eternal love. And in each and every moment of these dynamic transitions, we are each being asked to return to a center of peace, to a center of stillness, to a center of our own unique innate oneness with Source, with love. And regardless of what we are navigating through or what we are calling into our experience for us to be challenged and transcend and transmute, that we each have the power to choose through our own free will, regardless of what we have been taught, what belief systems, what attitudes, what societal programs or imprints that we each have to transcend and are working with, most unknown, but that we feel these challenges in our everyday life to say, I'm ready to break free from that. And these upcoming months and years will be assisting us in transcending and transmuting everything that holds us within a captive state of density or limitation. And this is natural, and it is a part of the process of evolution. And it's important for us to garner the essence of love, to garner the essence of our own right to choose, the essence of our own birthright to be free and creative in our exploration of love, of ourself. We are love. The innate essence and remembrance that we are each here evolving within is love. Love is the revolution. It is the evolution, within and without. So any fear that may come up, any issue that may be continuing to approach you as you call it forward, any unknown, any idea or experience that might seem inapproachable or cannot find your way around, know that when you ask to call your highest and best in, the highest beings that love you unconditionally, the holy masters of healing, the holy masters of transcension and transmutation, Lord Michael, the archangels, the ascended masters, the divine and holy Mother Father within you, your soul self, the essence of all that you are as love, as essence of quantum within and without. You have genius, you have intelligence, and you have every capability to transmute any imprint, any belief system or lack, and transmute it as you shift into a higher evolutionary experience of love. You are the God seed cell, and these affirmations will assist in reminding yourself of your power, of your innate power to connect with the quantum all that you are in vibration of the subtle energies and the subtle quantum fields that you exist within, to call all that is good in. So as you take a deep breath and ground yourself with the center of Gaia, the heartbeat of Gaia, your sacred blueprint with her, and you call back and reclaim all power that you have given away or left behind. Through opening of your pillar of light that runs along the spine, your source pillar of light where the breath feeds and nourishes every cell and every atom and molecule within and without. The inhale you open through intention. I open my pillar of light and I allow myself to be seen, felt, and known as Source Creator. My pillar of light opens source and star codes that may nourish and feed and catapult me into new explorations of my joy, of my experience, and my creativity as Source. I am grounded through my sacral, a beautiful cord that aligns me with the crystalline heartbeat, the pristine essence that is Gaia, my blueprint with her, so that I am nourished and healed with her as I heal her. As I resonate and I send crystalline cords of peace and light and love through every exhale. And as I call in my sacred teams of love and transcension and sacred teams of healing and sacred teams of activation, the Holy Mother and Father within me are opened within my divine sacred heart, this peaceful, beautiful altar that I am one within, the most unconditional and expansive aspect of love that may be experienced by me in any one moment. I am love. It is my remembrance in all moments that I am love, that I am one. And as the pillar of light, my prana tube, activates star codes nourishes my DNA, activates my DNA. I reclaim and I call all power back to my center now. Any power, any manipulation that I've given away, power I've given away, anything that I have given away knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, return to me now. That as the highest being of love and light that you are, calling yourself to power, calling yourself to acknowledgement, calling yourself in your own mastery navigation, I claim my mastery now. I choose how I get to experience my reality. I choose how I get to co-create with Source. I choose, and I call in benevolency and counsels and beings and experiences. I remember that I am threaded with all that is, and I am threaded with the highest intentions of good and light and love. I understand that the all is available, but my heartfelt excitement, my heartfelt choice, is to explore my excitement as love. I get to choose to be silly and joyful and dance about because I know it raises my vibration and aligns me with love. I am the expression of love. I am one in love. I know who I am as love. Every new moment I get to explore and express and experience myself as new love. I allow myself to be silly and joyful, for I understand that it realigns me to a higher essence of joyful vibrations. As I live in joy and happiness, I am living as Source. I release all beliefs and all attitudes and all behaviors that are less than perfection and joy and happiness and love. I am the full expression of genius and intelligence as Source. I am the embodiment of all things that are good and gracious and happiness. I choose to remember myself as joy, as intelligence. I live from my heart space and I am guided in all that I am and all that I do. I trust my path. I trust that I will be given and gifted exactly what I need when I need it. I'm ready to step through the veil into a new vibration of who I am as Source. I release all judgment and separation, for I understand I'm one with it all. And now I choose excitement and joy, my powerful essence as love. Love transcends, transmutes, and heals all, and I soften into this beautiful, powerful essence that is love, that is me. My reality is redefined and redesigned by the love that I allow to live through me. I am the happiness and the joy of love. As I freely express and allow all that I am to experience greater love, I am fulfilling all that I am as love. The center of my being is peaceful as love, and it alters all things and all reality. My forgiveness in any one moment of anything that is negative and not in love allows me to immediately realign as love. I allow forgiveness and compassion to be a part of my everyday experience. I allow sacred, joyful, happy play to be a part of my everyday experience. I live in the centered intention of the allowance of creational flow. I am purely aligned in love. I am the blessing of love. I can dance and wiggle and jiggle about in happiness and in joy, for I understand it raises my vibration and it's okay to be silly. I create in new ways that have never been defined before, and this is good, this is new. As I open my heart in love, I radiate, I illuminate pure, heart-centered joy. I am love. I choose to transform and transcend all negativity on my way to realign in love. All unfoldings are neutral, and I get to choose my next moment. I choose from a place of love. My reality is created from my presence of peace and love. My reality is created from the vibration that I carry within, and I am centered in peace and love. I am sacred in all that I am, and I soften as often as I can to remember myself as love. I am on a path of sacred co-creation, and this brings me excitement and synchronicity and miracles and majesty. I open to miracles. I am worthy to receive miracles. I am worthy of the synchronicity of Source. I am the genius of all that is good, and I honor and I appreciate and give gratitude for all that I am blessed. I thank Gaia, I thank creation, I thank the human family, I thank all that is for assisting me in my joyous journey in remembrance of love. I understand all moments and all symbols are ways for me to understand my depth of knowing love. I radiate and I illuminate peace. I allow myself to simply be love. I am peaceful, and I am all-knowing in love. In my stillness and in my silence, I am love. I allow all others to be exactly who they are and where they are, for I am love too. All beings radiate and mirror the reflection of Source. All moments are Source experience. I'm excited to experience myself anew. I'm excited to explore all that I am in new ways, new majesties. I am in sacred entanglement with all that is life and all threadings that is peace. I allow Source and love to live through me. I create as Source. I am Source. I am excited to explore my sacredness today. I am a sacred child of creation. How may I explore this today? I am cosmic stardust in human form. How may I explore this today? I give myself permission to release fear and step into a new alignment of benevolent love. I know in all moments I am held and I am supported and guided in pure, unconditional love. I am a sacred seed. I am a sacred child. I am sown within all things and all moments and all beings. I am one as love. I open to the entanglement of love. I am love. And I choose to experience my reality as love, as peace, as harmony, as benevolence, as sacred kindness and gentleness, as sacred co-creation, as sacred expression and communion, new ways to co-create, to gather, to share, to laugh, to build, to navigate, to express and to explore. For nothing can hold me back. I can do, I can be, and I can experience anything. I am Source. I know who I am. I am purely centered as the love of Source. As I walk, I radiate and I illuminate the earth. As I walk, I radiate and I illuminate peace. As I walk, I radiate and illuminate all that I am, creatively, beautifully, me. I embrace and I love all that I am. And so it is.